Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best AC compressor 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. New Air AC Compressor for Changan CS95. Upgrade your Changan CS95 with this premium Air AC compressor. Designed for 6SEU13C and 6SEU16C systems, it ensures optimal cooling performance and durability. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. AC compressor for Volkswagen Transporter T5/Amarok. This 7SEU17C AC compressor is perfect for Volkswagen Transporter T5 and Amarok models. Features a 6 pk pulley for efficient cooling and reliable performance. Number 3. AC compressor for Suzuki Swift. Replace your Suzuki Swift's AC compressor with this reliable unit. Compatible with part numbers 95200-52R01, it ensures consistent air conditioning performance for all driving conditions. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. STR08 AC compressor for Honda City. The STR08 AC compressor is designed for Honda City models from 2013 to 2019. It features a 5 pk pulley for optimal cooling efficiency and durability. Number 1. (12V 48V electric compressor). This versatile AC compressor set is compatible, making it perfect for cars, trucks, buses, boats, and more. Ideal for auto air conditioning installations, it ensures efficient cooling across various vehicle types. Thanks for watching.